Welcome back to Living with Stephanie. Today I want to invite you into my kitchen so I can make baked crab legs. They're going to be good. Here we go. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wash the crab legs. I'm washing them so that I can get all of the seeds, the stuff that's not supposed to be eaten off. And you make sure you wash them good. There should be sometimes there's some little white stuff on them that's not supposed to be there. Okay? I use warm water. And I use warm water because I want to clean, but I don't want hot water. Of course, that way I can't. If I use hot water, I won't be able to stand it on my hands. All right, once I get everything all cleaned up, I'm gonna put it in a stoneware dish. So this is the stoneware dish that I use. Wash it out. Now, if you don't have a stoneware dish, you can use a pan, a cooking pan, a glass dish, anything like that. Something that you'll be able to put all of the crab legs inside of and put the lemon, your butter, and season it well. And also maintain the juice because that's where you're going to be using to dip the crab legs once it's done. Okay? So another option would be something like this, a glass dish. That's another option. But you want something that's not too deep, but deep enough. Okay? Now, got everything washed. I'm just going to layer it all inside of here. It's just for one person, so you might need a bigger dish than myself. Because mine is just for me. All right? Once I get everything in here, all right, get rid of that. Always turn my legs with the orange side up when I'm cooking them. That's just how I cook them, and it doesn't mean anything. Just might mean a little OCD, but that's it. All right. Make sure all of the crab legs are inside of your dish, because what's going to happen is I'm going to cover the dish with aluminum foil, and what you want to try to do is avoid the tail sticking up and piercing holes in the aluminum foil. So the next thing I'm going to do is put some butter packs on it. I'm going to cut them in 1 tablespoon pack. Take your butter knife and just look on the butter and just cut on the lines. So it'll be 1 tablespoon of packs. Just remember that the amount of butter that you use is going to also dictate approximately how much butter sauce you'll have. But if you cook it right, you won't need no other butter. This will be enough. It'll bake inside of the legs. So I use about a stick of butter just for myself. I got the butter spats on there. I don't know if you can see it without me dumping all my crab legs back into the sink. Now I'm going to get my seasoning. So I'm going to use 3 seasonings for my crab legs. The first one will be Old Bay. That's what most people use anyway. Much as you think you need. Mine is not spicy. It's just a regular Old Bay. It's not garlic or anything like that. Then I'm gonna I'm gonna add some garlic sauce. I'm not gonna put very much of that, just a little bit. Enough to, make the seasoning good. And then the last seasoning I'm going to use is this Badia. I think it's Badia. Might be saying it wrong, but it's Badia Complete. This is the best thing you can buy when it comes to seasoning. I love this seasoning, and I use it for for everything. Okay, Most people put lemon and they spread lemon around there. I'm going to get my foil and I'm going to cover it up. Now, one thing I'm going to do is I put two pieces of foil on top. Don't ask me why, but that's what I do. Just in case you cut them uneven, put the smaller piece on the bottom. All right? And now, close it up. All right? The oven is already set to 375. And I'm going to put it in the oven for 45 minutes. Alexa, set me a timer for 45 minutes.
45 minutes, starting now.
Okay, after your 45 minutes, take that foil off, and this is the result. No butter needed. The butter is at the bottom of your dish. And I will eat in this dish. I don't need another dish. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Living with Stephanie. See you next time.